Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Harvest Tool and grow a garden. In Grow a Garden on Roblox, the Harvest Tool is the vine rarity item found in the gear shop, usually available in the most stock rotations. It costs around 15 million coins, but it's worth every bit for serious gardeners. The tools lets you instantly harvest all the fruits from a single plant. Not all plants are the same type. So, for example, if you're using it on a green apple tree, it will collect every apple from that specific tree, but not from all the apple trees nearby. The same goes for banana trees, avocado trees, and other multi-fruit plants. However, if you use it on something like a single cauliflower, it will only harvest that one plant, since there's only one harvestable fruit. In short, the harvest tool is perfect for collecting larger yields from the plants that grow in clusters. It's fast, efficient, and ideal for players looking to speed up their harvest. And that's how you use the harvest tool and grow a garden. Simple, powerful, and super satisfying to use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.